Remember that in order to write a paper, you have to know what it is you're writing about. And then essentially, if you'll recall, the thesis statement is simply the point of your paper. So you can't very well start writing a paper unless you know the point. And we looked at how to prepare our thesis statement. And I had said that there are 3 pieces of information that you absolutely have to know in order to write that thesis statement. And the first was your topic. What will your paper be dealing with? Now, quite often in a lot of college classes, professors are going to give you the topic. However, knowing the topic is not the same as knowing what you are going to be writing about in your paper. It is conceivable that you could say, I want to write about computers. But that is not enough for a thesis statement. What you also need to have is your claim, what you think about the topic, what you have to say about that topic. So if you said, I want to write about computers, your teacher is probably going to say, okay, well, what do you have to say about computers? So your claim may be, computers are destroying America. So you have a topic, which is computers. Your claim is computers are destroying America. But you can't leave it there, because you've got to have some reasons why you believe that computers are destroying America. And that is the third piece of information that you need to know, are the reasons that back up and support your claim. You might have one reason that computers are destroying America because they're making people lazy. Computers are also destroying America maybe because they are causing children or allowing children to see information that they otherwise should not be seeing. There are many, many reasons that you may use to back up your claim, but you at least need 3 reasons. The book calls them points that will persuade your reader to believe what you've just claimed about that topic. Okay. So let's look at an example. Let's say, for instance, that a teacher just assigned a paper, and the paper is asking everyone in class to write on shopping at Walmart. Now, not everybody is going to have the exact same claim. Some people may love Walmart in the class. Other people may think that, like my sister, Walmart is the devil, and she will not shop there. But this particular person is making the claim that everyone should shop at Walmart. But the person cannot simply leave it at that. This person has got to go on and then explain, by the reasons that they list, why people should shop at Walmart. So this person says Walmart has variety, which is true. You can go into Walmart and you can buy motor oil, underwear, and dog food. That's pretty good variety. So easily this could be supported. She also claims that Walmart has a large inventory and Walmart has cheap prices. Notice that every single one of these reasons is different enough to where one doesn't overlap the other. Now, once you have that information, you're then ready to turn that into a thesis statement. So let's review what the book had to say about this. The book says that we can list our reasons at the end of the thesis statement, we can list our reasons at the beginning of the thesis statement, or we can have 2 separate sentences where we list the thesis statement and then we list the reasons in the very next sentence. So these are the only 3 ways that I want you to be constructing thesis statements this semester. Now let's look at our Walmart example. The author of this paper has given us 3 different reasons to go with her claim. So let's see how these can be turned into thesis statements using what the book has told us. If we list our reasons at the end of the thesis statement, it will sound like this. Everyone should shop at Walmart because they have variety, a large inventory, and cheap prices. If we list our reasons at the beginning, it says the variety, the large inventory, and cheap prices at Walmart are why everyone should shop there. When we have 2 separate sentences, it sounds like this. Everyone should shop at Walmart, period. They have variety, a large inventory, and cheap prices. Keep in mind that not a single one of these is any better than the other ones that are up here. They are simply different ways of writing a thesis statement. Whichever one you like the best is the one that you ought to use in your paper. You might use one in one paper and one in another. So I hope this helps you out, and pay attention to the next video on introductions.